revenge for Huno in a Jamaica. She a come for peace and vomit and spit on Jamaica. Take it from me. Take it from me. This your girl you look like she plan for cock up her foot and shower we down. Yes, plenty there. She look like say she sick too. She look like say she sick. Cause the way them say, oh Melissa, a crawl. It look like say she sick. It look like say she sick. Them say Melissa a crawl out of sea like a baby. Them say Melissa a crawl like a baby. So it don't look like say she sick. She a go vomit and she a go spit pan we in a Jamaica. Pure water. Pure water. Melissa go shower we with. But you have some people will live in a some low line place. Them hard a hearing. I got a message for you. I got a message for you. Nature have it for say. Anyway, water did there. It a come back there one day. It a come back there one day. So me a send a messenger to the people them, will live in a some community where they need see and no want move when rain a fall. Me not ready for you yet. Me soon tell you no. Me soon tell you no. But first, me I go tell you no. But oh, this government here a pussyfoot around and not tell the people them say them broke like that. The government not tell the people them say them broke like dog. And them not ready to help the people them in a Jamaica, in a the hurricane here. Because if them claim say hurricane warning is in effect, how comes we not hear about the center them yet? We not hear about no center yet where the people them can start pack up from now. Why the government wait until why the government wait until Melissa start blow down and shower down the place before them are gonna open up the little place them? A sound of broke. A sound of broke. People, if you don't notice, say the people them will come up front and talk to the people them at dodge out. We not see the Prime Minister. We not see him. We not see him yet. We not see Desmond Mackenzie yet. Them a tell pure lie. Say Desmond oversee. Desmond Mackenzie, where are thou? Where are thou? When you did beat off the little street people them couple days ago, you was present. Where you there now to come talk to the people them? Appear dodging your depan. Desmond Mackenzie, why you and the Prime Minister a dodge? A dodge? Why the two are no a dodge? A dodge out to not play? A dodge out to not play? Desmond Mackenzie